What's up traders, welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is your trading coach Forex Wizard. We are back with another live streaming. This week is extremely volatile. Monthly close, weekly close, we will be closing a lot of trade as well. Be patient. I know that many of my VP students now very impatient. Why Forex Wizard not giving us a trade signal? Our hand is itching. Don't itch your hand. That is what I'm teaching you, not trading. Patience. That is the when money comes. You know, there is a famous trader, JC Livermore. Many of you may have known that. He said that money doesn't come from trading. Money comes from sitting. So do you want to make money or you want to trade? If you want to make money, then don't trade. Sit down. Money will come. That's how money comes. So let's start today's journey. We see that quite a few pairs giving us nice trading opportunity, and you have seen my magic already, the wizard magic. You have seen my weekly forex forecast, previous weeks. The way I explained the euro dollar exactly created that same pattern. Watch, not this one, the past one. Watch that. Gold, euro dollar did exactly, AUD USD, exactly what I told. The price came back. Now I don't have anything to prove to anyone. You have seen everything. I don't want to show also that how big I am, but the thing is that I'm telling you so that you can gain confidence, because when you are with me, when you see that your coach is confident, you will be confident too. That is the intention of telling you how these things work. Now we are coming with another big live stream today, and I know that there will be a lot of trade in this live stream, so make sure that you stick till the end. On the last live stream on Friday, you know that we did quite a few good trading, isn't it? We closed USD CHF and many other pairs that has given us good trading opportunity. Now at this point, what we see that quite a few pairs giving us some good trading opportunity, including gold and GBP CAD, USD CAD. So let's see how we can do one by one, how we can find a good trading opportunity. So in the meantime, write down on the right side, there is a chat area. You can write there what you really interested about trading, what's your opinion. If you have any question, I see that my VIP members already there. Pawin, hello wizard, hello Pawin. Usdjpy, hello Usdjpy. Ramzan Ali, Aslam, hello sir. Gbpusd, we'll do all of them. Rabi, good, nice to be with you. Yes Rabi, nice to be with you too. Slim 3, morning sir. Yes, morning Slim 3. Jamal, good morning everyone. Hello Jamal. Kakulan, good morning. I don't know good morning or good afternoon, but welcome. Rabi, good. Magic on Euro USD. Yes Rabi, all the time. Did you think, Rabi, good, do you think is it still think it's bullish? We'll discuss all of them. Checkmate, good day sir, hope you are well. Asuk Suman, hello coach Gbpusd. Jamal Khan, yes, can you explain gold? Yeah, we'll do that. Bumaya, good day sir. Yes, Bumaya. Ahmed, okay, so we saw many of you already there. Jabir, thank you for joining this live trading session. Let's straight jump on to our currency pairs that will be looking to trade and what we have trade on. So I have found quite a few requests for GBPUSD. Let's start with GBPUSD. You see the GBPUSD now dropped as expected. Highly volatile instrument, GBPUSD. Now when the price drop like that, I normally try to find the lowest possible point to sell entry. Let's see, first of all, GBPUSD. This is 4-hour time frame. We saw that GBP pairs is highly volatile. So before, some of you sometimes request, say, let's say GBP CHF, GBP JPY. If I analyze one GBP pair, try to, if your one is not analyzed, don't worry, just you can take the one that I have already analyzed almost the same way. GBP JPY looks to me very bearish now, because it broke down completely, and you saw the daily time frame, the price broke down at this point. Let's see how it is doing. GBP JPY looks very bearish. All the GBP pairs, GBP CAD. Now GBP CAD, I'm more of interested in GBP CAD, because let me tell you why. His reason is, first of all, monthly, you see this is a very strongly bearish market. Okay, GBP CAD, and there is nothing on the left side. You see there is no support here, so it is a high probability that GBP CAD will come at least to this level of support. Okay, let me draw this level of support. That means that GBP CAD is high probability on the monthly. After 4 days, this monthly candle is closing, and we might see a bigger move to the downside on the monthly. So monthly is nearing, means GBP CAD is probably 90% probably it will fall down. So let's see on the weekly what's happened. Now weekly, we saw the previous week has given us a nice bearish candle. Now after this nice bearish candle, what you can expect as usual, to drop, and as soon as the market open, the sellers took control. Now one important thing, this is the weekly close. Let me draw the line on the weekly close on GBP CAD. Now let's see on the daily. Okay, daily, we saw the last week of the trading week a nice textbook bearish engulfer. See, this kind of candle you will be looking for in the market. Okay, strong bearish engulfer, close full body, you know, across the previous high, cross the previous low, completely bearish engulfer. As a result, today we saw the price broke down, didn't give us still any entry point, because I will not trade based on this big daily candle. I want to see an entry point for selling short GBP CAD. So with that being said, let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Now we saw that, see, on the 4-hour, this is the line that we are thinking that this is a very high probability zone. And what I want, GBP CAD, after 1 hour 23 minutes, this candle is closing, and there is a high impact news release on CAD. So what I want, that this candle to go up little, you know, even break this trend line here. There is a trend line here. Okay, let's draw this trend line on the 4-hour, even come to this level. Then I will be considering shorting GBP CAD, because it will be a good trade if we can find proper entry point. GBP CAD bearish, most of the GBP pair bearish, GBP JPY as well bearish. So even if this candle closes as a doji, in most cases this happen, if this one closes as a doji, okay, this next one could drop from here. Okay, so that's what I see last Friday. That's what I told you in the last trading week, you remember that. So GBP JPY, all the GBP pairs, GBP CHF, everything bearish. Now GBP CHF, if this one goes up, you know, let's say here, okay, that also a bearish candle. You saw this is a bearish engulfer. So stick till the end of this live session. Don't miss any part. I might give you anytime a shout out for sell or buy, so that you don't miss out. Stick till then. Let's see what happened. I saw that many of you started to request. Very good. Paroske, hello sir, thank you. Ahmad Khan, how are you? I'm good. Good afternoon. Jonathan, thank you. Good afternoon. Jusdale, Eurusdjpy and Euro AUD, please. Yeah, Euro pairs, I saw some good trading opportunity. Eric's hello Wizard, GBP USD, we already discussed. Hopefully you have seen that. We'll go through again one after one. We'll come back again. Gold and GBP Usdjpy, yes, we'll do that. Good evening sir. Mary said, Mary, thank you. Good evening. No sound. What are you talking about? Can everyone hear my sound? Can you let me know in the chat area that everyone can hear me? Hopefully everyone can hear me. It will be really good if you let me know that everyone can hear me. I'm writing here, everyone. So check. Yes, I think that everyone can hear me. That's great. Yeah, so who said no sound? Maybe your sound box or sound system. Check your sound system. Thank you. I got it. Okay, very good. So all GBP pairs is now showing bearish. Now GBP and ZD also showing some bearish engulf, bearish pressure. You see this trend line I just draw before I starting the live trading session. Now what I saw that this is the GBP and ZD. You know, this is the previous 4-hour candle. You see there is a strong bearish candle. Now this GBP and ZD really creating a nice structure. You see this candle, this one is like looking like, you see, narrow doji. Now I'm telling you, if this current 4-hour candle closes something like this is a narrow doji, the next one could go up, test this 20 period moving average and can drop. Smash the like button. If this is the situation, then I'll sell. Again, I'm explaining what's happening, why I think so. First of all, look, GBP and ZD, see, I draw this trend line, right? This is a long term, like 4-hour trend line. And you saw the price just broke this out of trend line. Now, current 4-hour, you see, current 4-hour is trying to create a doji like this. You see, this is a doji. If this one closes like this is what you need to pay attention when you are trading. If this one closes like that, as a narrow doji, then the next one will go up. High probability, not guaranteed. I'm a wizard, I told you. I'm a magician, but sometimes magician also makes mistake. It will go up, test this 20 period moving average and drop, or even it can drop from here. So that's a good trading opportunity as long as it closes like that. I'll send this trade signal to my VIP members. If you wanna join this VIP team, link in the description, go ahead and join, no problem. There is always support from me for everyone. So GBP pairs are highly volatile. Now GBP USD, look at this, it's trying to go up, means giving us some selling opportunity, because don't expect that a falling market will go up and change its trend. Trend never change in one direction. There is some symptoms of trend change. Now write on the chat section who knows how a trend changes. Who don't know, let me know so that I can teach you how a trend changes in a market. So I see that thank you very much, everyone was supporting me. US 30 please. Yes, I saw that indices has some good trading opportunity. Let me show you US 30. Okay, US 30 now currently in a sell position. Nice sell position. That's what I was thinking before I starting this live trading session. So let me check monthly time frame. Okay, this is the monthly candle, and we saw that there has been a false breakout to the upside on the monthly time frame, and then broke. I think it will drop further down. US 30. Let's see on the weekly time frame. Weekly we saw a strong bearish candle. This has a elements of false breakout. Any candle has elements of false breakout is really powerful. So this one, what it could do, I think that it will continue to drop further. Okay, US 30, all indices continue to drop further. Let's see on the daily how it is doing. Now daily we saw that the previous, you see this is a false breakout of this, created a double top with a false breakout. So that means that it will continue further down. Okay, high probability, very high probability. So now let's see on the 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour, 2 hours 16 minutes remaining. It looks like that. You see there is a gap opening here when the new trading week. So what I think that this 4-hour candle even will not be able to break. If it breaks also, if it might test this trend line. Let me draw it again. So it might, at worst case scenario, it might test this trend line and then will drop from here. That's what I believe. As I told you, nothing is guaranteed. So always, this is not an investment advice, it's just an educational purpose. So if you do the trade, make sure you manage your risk, take your own responsibility, always all the way manage the trade. I give you the maximum possible benefit, maximum I can think of. The rest will depend on you, how you conduct the trade. So at any point, you know, I could be wrong, it could go up. Okay, that's how the market works. When market change its mind, we change our mind. That's how the trader sees. So smash the like button now. So let's, in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, press that bell notification so that you don't miss out any of the trading videos, strategies, live analysis I send every single day. So let's find out. CryptoXE said, how to calculate lot size for US30, sir? Very good question. Check it out of the website. Otherwise you need a risk management tool, because let's go to the MyFXbook website. Let me show you again how to calculate the lot size. Okay, for those who know already, okay, if you don't know how to calculate the lot size, this is a free website. Go to this one and go to Forex calculator. Okay, position size calculator, and then check here. Okay, currency pairs. You see here, if you don't have this in this list, okay, I think it doesn't have in this list, then you need a risk management tool. Okay, or there are some other website you might find where you can find the lot size calculator. So because as I told you, it's just a calculation. By mouth or by thinking you can't do it. So what you can do, Google it, that US30 lot size calculator. Google it, you will find somewhere. Once you will found it, save it, save the website. There are many websites that provide this service. Every time use that website. So Mixchi says, hello master. Yes, Mixchi, thank you. Moza Raza Gold, yes, Moza Raza, thank you. Khalid, yes, Khalid, thank you for joining. Ahad Khan, your 5-minute scalping technique is promising. Yes, Ahad Khan, who didn't watch this video, watch that. That's what amazing video. You see that this kind of things, but I don't recommend everyone, because as I told you, scalping is not for everyone. It's just for certain people who are born with that. Okay, I don't want you to make money, but I don't, you know, don't make money but don't lose money. This is the first law of trading. Okay, never lose money. So please explain us how to find change in the trend, please, sir. Yes. Okay, Zabrali, I got one person was telling me how to change trend. Okay, now trend, when you see a trending market, okay, when you see a trending market, strong trending or down, you know, weak trending, trend will never end straight like this. Okay, there are some symptoms. The first symptom, trend change, is like, let's say like this. Okay, let's say an uptrending market creating a series of higher high and higher low. At some point you could see something like this, a big move to the upside, okay, and then big move to the downside. That is one way the trend change. Okay, and in this big move, in most cases you will see that it will hit or create a false breakout to any kind of key level. This is one way trend change. Another way trend change is the price is, let's say, creating series of higher high and higher low, and it will consolidate for a very long period of time, even in the lower time frame like this. Okay, that means that in most cases, if you see that consolidation is basically a sign of again continuing the trend. Okay, so if it wants to change the trend in this consolidation, it will create a head and shoulder in most cases. Okay, so let me show you a couple of examples. Let's say AUD USD weekly time frame. You see like this, consolidation and head and shoulder. Okay, and then change its trend. So like this, you to change the trend, either the price will create a big move to the upside, big move to the down, or big move to the downside, big move to the upside, or it will consolidate, create a head and shoulder, and then will break the market structure. Okay, only head and shoulder is not enough. Never trade a head and shoulder directly. You need a break of market structure, and then you need retest of this structure. Then you can trade. You know, you can say that the trend has changed. So let's say Khalid said silly valid. Yeah. So let's see USD CAD and Euro AUD, some pairs that is providing us trading opportunities. So let's first Euro AUD. Okay, let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, Euro AUD, what I thought that it broke down and trying to create a doji, you know. So what once I thought that I will trade Euro AUD, you see, because you have seen that the price basically broke to the upside with a very strong move. This is 4-hour time frame, and over the long term monthly Euro AUD, you saw that it's a very strong bearish market. Okay, bearish market came down, now it is pushing up. Now this push will continue to go up, will come down. I think that it will come down again because it's a very strong bearish market. Okay, very strong bearish market, and it is not likely to rise easily. Okay, it will come down further. So monthly, we see that monthly candle is almost going to close. So let's see on the weekly. Now weekly, we saw that the price back to back, now 2 weeks rise. This week again the price tried to push up, and I think that it might go a little further up. That's why I didn't sell entry. So let's see daily. Now daily also, you saw that the price broke up, now trying to, you know, sellers trying to push the price down. So let's go back to 4-hour again. Now what is likely to happen? See, I have to wait for a confirmation, but there is one possibility that Euro AUD will drop. Okay, now if I see that this current 4-hour doji, the reason I didn't sell Euro AUD is because there has been a long wick at the bottom. There is a rejection here. Okay, so it easily can create a bullish pattern and can continue go up. Okay, so there is a possibility of Euro AUD, you know, started to move down, but it's still not ready. Okay, either I want to see a double top has been created and then drop, or I want to see that it has created a doji and the next one, like this next one, broke down, and then I will find an entry for Euro AUD, because there is a lot of way that we can trade Euro AUD to the downside. Okay, so first be patient, let this break down, and then we'll, you know, wait for a entry for Euro AUD. There is a, if it started to move down, we have a lot to take. Okay, it will, if it started to move down, it will come like this. Okay, so we have a big move to take, but be patient. Okay, be patient with Euro AUD, and then we'll see how it works. Euro CAD also, you see that pushing up, so it's still not ready, but showing some kind of bearish momentum on Euro CAD. So let's see gold. Now you have seen today, I still didn't find that entry because I am waiting for a nice entry on gold. So what I am waiting, basically, you see after 2 hours and 7 minutes this candle is closing. So what I am waiting is, I am waiting for a doji to be formed here on gold. Okay, maybe it is going up, creating a doji, double doji, and then we'll sell. But gold, as you have seen, that the price is moving exactly according to the analysis, and it will continue. At this point, the prices is still didn't come to the level of support, still is bearish. So the best entry will be if this current candle goes up like that. Let me show you, like this one. Okay, creating a doji, something like that. Okay, something like this, then nice sell entry from here, keeping the stop loss above maybe 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now if you want to join, if you want to learn, if you want to make money, you saw that last week what we did on gold. When you see that when this candle, this doji was forming, I told my VIP members that do not close the trade. If this one closes as a doji, the next one will drop exactly. Okay, the market did exactly what it is. Okay, let me show you that quickly, that so that you know that how things works, you know. See, hello my dear subscriber and VIP members. So let's do a quick update. The gold, Now what we see that gold now testing this doji. Now as you see that after 15 minutes we are running this trade on gold, is came to almost hitting our profit target, now pushing to the upside. But if this current, do not close the trade, because if this current candle closes as a doji like that, high probability that gold will drop from here. Okay, again it could drop from here, but don't take a big risk. But the way the candle is doing to me is, if this one closes as a doji like that, or even closes here like this, gold could drop from here again to the downside. Okay, this is one thing. USD CHF trade, we are running in profit. It's a good trade. as you can see, this is the trade that I have sent. We are almost running in profit. Take the same profit target. Gold and USD CAD, USD CHF, both hopefully will make money. Now if anyone didn't enter a trade on gold, keep in mind, if this candle closes below this doji, below this wick of the doji, that means if this current 4-hour candle closes below 1945, you still can enter the gold from here, keeping the stop loss here, take profit here, always manage your risk. I'll keep you update. This is weekend, we are making 2 trades good money. Hopefully you are enjoying. We have more trade coming up. Stay always managed. And now guys and girls, so look at this one here. This is where I send this this video to my VIP Telegram channel when this candle was forming, right? Let me draw this level. This is what exactly I told them, that if this candle closes as a doji, gold will drop. Look at this, what happened. You see? Did you saw? Now if my VIP members, if still you think that the VIP members are not making money, then what can I say? Can you find anyone predict the market with such an accuracy? Forex Wizard, smash the like button. If you want to join this program, the link in the description. The real proof, no one in this industry can show you like that, because I'm a real trader. Okay, now let's begin with what request we have. Gold trade here. Ramzan Alam sir, kindly explain about AUD USD. Okay, let's see about AUD USD, but let's see who else. Muhammad Noor, can you tell me what's the best year to automatic trading? Okay, we'll talk about it, no problem. Crypto XC Euro USD, is it possible to reach 1.064? We'll talk about it. Rabi Good, please, Euro CHF is still bullish, flag on 4-hour. Okay, let's see. Smash the like button. Yeah, Aljun, okay, thank you for this. So this is what's happening now. Now let's see. First of all, what we had some request on AUD USD. Okay, so let's see what happening with AUD USD. Now we saw that AUD USD after that drop, now the price trying to pick up, trying to push to the upside, creating a retracement. Now first of all, let's see monthly time frame, what's happening. So AUD USD, this is the monthly chart, and I think that you see that this is the monthly, and the price broke the previous month's low. Now the price trying to go for a retracement. I think that what will happen, you see, after 4 days AUD USD, this monthly candle is closing, and I think that it will close as a bearish engulfer, and I think it will come further down. Okay, it will come further down a lot, AUD USD, and I think so it will do like that. Okay, so let's see on the weekly what's happening. Weekly as well, we saw that the price broke down, it's bearish, strongly bearish. Daily time frame, let's see. Okay, daily we saw that the price just broke this level of support here. Okay, with this doji it has a level of support. So now 4-hour. Okay, how we can trade AUD USD now next? Let me give you an idea. You see this dotted line? If this current 4-hour candle create a false breakout to the upside and then close below this current 4-hour candle, high probability that AUD USD will drop again, another one. Okay, so this is probability, but I don't know how this candle will close. If this one closes like that, you know, it could start to push up for a retracement, or we have to see how new market structure is forming. But as long as this one is remaining within this this is the support level, then we might see a push down, but it's still too early to say that it will go further down, because the price already overextended to the downside, broke all this level of support. It could go up. Okay, so let's see what's happening with this one here. Now Jamal Bokas, GBP CAD. Yeah, we already discussed GBP CAD. Let's go back again. GBP CAD. Now GBP CAD, I'm a bit biased to GBP CAD because the way price action is formed, you see, there is a trend line here. Okay, there is a trend line here with this one, and the price, you see, just this is the 4-hour time frame on GBP CAD. And when you see this kind of consolidation, see how you can predict a market that either it will go further or it will stay. How? First thing, see, when you see this kind of consolidation, okay, you saw that higher time frame is bearish. Now is this kind of consolidation and then created a twice false breakout to the upside is a sign of, you know, strong move down. Okay, now as a result we saw breakout, you know, couple of dodges and breakout again. So what I'm waiting for GBP CAD, you see, after 59 minutes this candle will close. Now what I'm waiting is to see a good to give them like for this candle to be rejected properly from this. There is a support here, support here, support here. Now it is testing as a resistance, and I want to see that GBP CAD is getting enough rejection, as today there will be a GBP CAD news release, and in this news release we might see a spike to the upside, and that is where we can enter a trade for shorting opportunity, and that is what I'm expecting for the GBP CAD to do. And USD CAD, let's see USD CAD, what's happening with USD CAD. GBP CAD, USD CAD almost doing the similar thing. So USD CAD, say this is the pending order that we placed, and I think that USD CAD during the news release it will come further down. Okay, we'll hit our entry, we'll push up. Let's see how it works. But I thought that it will come down further, we'll hit our entry, but without hitting our entry it started to push up. But I still keep the entry open. So let's see how it works, because there is a gap opening with USD CAD. This is 4-hour time frame, and if you see the higher time frame on USD CAD, this is now pushing in a very high speed. USD CAD, let me delete all of them, and you saw there is a gap opening on USD CAD. Okay, this is weekly time frame, there is a gap opening, and I think that USD CAD will continue to go push up at least to this level it will go. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, so there is a still, you know, a gap to fill. So daily, go to the daily also, you see there is a gap opening, and we saw that after the gap opening the price shooting up. Now let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, now 4-hour, after the previous candle, this is the doji, and then we saw that this current candle closing as a bullish engulfer. Now I don't think that the price will continue to go up from here. I think that USD CAD will come down further down, okay, to this error. It will test, high probability that it will test this gap, and this is where we will be entering our buy opportunity if it comes during the news release. I think that USD CAD will come down, okay, test this gap, and then we'll continue to rise up from here. So if it comes down, then we'll enter a buy trade, otherwise we'll let it go. You need to let go a lot of trade. Don't experience FOMO. There is always trade everywhere. And GBP USD as well, you see GBP USD, if it closes as a doji like that, okay, like that, it might go up little further and will drop again. Okay, so that is where we will be entering a short trade. I love to trade this kind of candle. Okay, I love to trade from lower low. Always see, this is the mistake that most retail trader does, is that they buy when they see a bottom, they sell when see a top. Okay, buy higher high, sell lower low if you want to be a profitable trader. That is the law of trading. What is falling is likely to fall, what is rising is likely to rise. Smash the like button now. So let's see what else we have on the table. In the meantime, those who join new today, don't forget to smash this like button, hit that subscribe button, press that bell notification. I post some priceless valuable content in this channel every day, live analysis, strategies, everything that will help you to become the best trader in the world. So Jamal Boko's GBP cat we have discussed. So GBP and NZD level, please. Michael says okay, we'll discuss again. Ahmed Khan, please talk about BTC USD. Yep, we'll talk. I saw that BTC USD is bearish. So let's see. Gary Kelly, thank you Gary Kelly. Malachi, sir, GBP and NZD is bearish. What is the TP? Okay, let's talk about Dark Omega. USD CHF chasing. Yeah, of course. Slim 3 US 100, please. Slim 3 we already discussed. US 100, we'll quickly look at it again. So let's say GBP and NZD and US 100 again quickly, and then we'll go back to other pairs again. So US 100, you see US 100 is bearish. Okay, it is bearish, created a double doji. Okay, created double doji. There's a double doji with a lower low, though it is a higher high and lower low, but it is bearish. So what it could do, it could a little go up. It may not break this high of the doji, and I think that US 100 will drop from here, okay, to the downside. It could even do that. Let me tell you something. So it could, you see there is a double doji here. There is a double doji. Let me zoom in. So what it might do, that it will go up little bit, maybe around say 50% of this long wick, and then from here could drop. So if I trade, what I would do is basically I will place a pending order here. I'll keep my stop loss here, and I'll target 1 to 3. That I would be doing if I'm trading. Smash the like button and also hit the red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Chendi, I entered late. Have you discussed GBP JPY, sir? Yes, we discussed. We will discuss again. GBP JPY looking bearish. So let's see, we'll discuss again. Now GBP and NZD. Okay, all GBP pairs look same. You see GBP and NZD. What I think that GBP and NZD will break down. Okay, all GBP pairs look very, very bearish. So what it could do, if this current 4-hour candle GBP and NZD after 53 minutes, if it still remain as a doji, okay, what I think that GBP and NZD will go up little bit, even breaking this high. Maybe we'll test this 20 period blue moving average and will drop from here. That's what I think, because there has been a double top. See why? The reason is, this is what you need to pay attention. See, first of all, a strong bearish candle followed by a slow retracement, another strong bearish candle, created a double top formation and then broke down. Now it is after this double top, this bearish candle basically this broke this trend line. You see there is a trend line here. Okay, there is a trend line here, and it broke this trend line, and after that we see that GBP and NZD trying to push down. So if it closed as a doji, then I'll send a trade signal to my VIP member on GBP and NZD, as long as it's closed according to my strategy, our strategy. So if you want to join our team, quickly do it. Go to the description area, join. There is a lot of value in it. You have seen already what happened. So let's see. I see that Vinod, good afternoon, boss. Yes, Vinod, thank you. Susan, AUD USD, please, sir. We discussed already. We'll go back again one by one all the time. We'll do again. So GBP JPY, let's see. Okay, GBP JPY is strongly falling. Okay, I think that as all GBP pairs is dropping, it will continue to drop. Let's see weekly. First of all, what's happened? Okay, weekly we saw that the price broke down from here. Now it is in the middle. Okay, less probability that it will go up from here. It will, I think that it will come further down, maybe at least to this zone, and then will continue to go up. So GBP JPY as with all the GBP pairs, it is bearish. Let's see what happened. It is bearish. Now we saw that it is a little bit of facing a support here, little support here, a smaller support here. So I will be more interested on, because you know JPY is very weak for a very long time, you know. So in case this one closes as a doji, now what kind of doji I'm looking for? Like this, okay, like this, just a dot line and long like this, then I will say that JPY is likely to drop again to the downside. This is how I saw the price action works. Okay, this is from my experience. I didn't learn from anyone these things. I observed day after day after day, and I absorbed the information. Okay, I did a lot of meditation, and then I started to observe chart. You know why? Because what meditation does, do you know that we have 2-3 kind of brainwave: beta, alpha, and theta brainwave. Okay, so when you are thinking, your brainwave is in beta, and in beta level it is difficult something to learn, because in beta level our analytical mind work, our logical mind work, and it disrupt our learning. But when you are in alpha brainwave is like a children's brainwave. Until 6 years of age, children have this brainwave. That's why children are so fast learning, because when you are in an alpha brainwave, your logical mind or analytical mind will not disrupt you. Any information, any input, any command you will give it to your brain, it will take it in your subconscious mind without any question. If you want to be like a Superman, if you want to be like a superhero or superheroine, do this. Take your brainwave to the alpha level. No matter what practice you do prayer. If you are a Muslim, you can do praying, zikir, what is called a zikir, or if you are a Christian, you go to the praying. If you are a Buddhist, do this. Whatever you are, if you are no religion, no problem, everything is okay. Just do something to take your. If you are a Hindu, you can do yoga, everything. If any religion, no problem. If I didn't mention, whatever you are, just take your brainwave to the alpha level. Okay, alpha level, anything, do anything. Take your brain up to the alpha level and then do trading. Okay, in 1 month you will be like a Superman, and then you no one can beat you. That's how you have to be Superman. You need to know your power. You have enormous power inside of you. The only problem we have is the conditioning, social conditioning. What is social conditioning? See, when a child has, this is the real thing you need to know. When a child in this brainwave, okay, they absorb their environment without any question. So we grown up in a society which is conditioned. Okay, it's not anyone's fault. So when children are conditioned, they are given some beliefs, limiting beliefs, self-limiting beliefs that doesn't serve us anymore. So you need to unroot and unwearing this belief system by taking your brainwave to the alpha again, and then do it and become the Superman. Okay, everyone is Superman. Become that person again. So this is what I need you to become. Gold stopping as expected, let it drop. Do not experience FOMO. Okay, when I normally don't trade when market is dropping too much fast way. Okay, I normally try to trade the market which is preparing for a drop, or already broke and again slow retracement. But when it is dropping with the fastest speed, I just stay sideline. That's how you have to be. Don't jump on a fast moving river. Okay, so this is very important. Vinod, I get FOMO everything. I'm late for your session. Don't worry, Vinod. Don't be FOMO. Bipan, CHF, JPY, and Eurojpy, US Bipan, all look at it. Malachi, do you scalp with moving averages? I scalp purely with price action. As I told you yesterday, I have a couple of strategies that I will in my website that I only can give it to you, give anyone if you want to join my program. But I also have free strategies that I post on YouTube. All are super working strategy. anyone can learn from it, but some strategies some people are paying for, that's why I can't release them for free. But all works, it depends on what kind of people, it's who is implementing the strategy. That is the main thing, you know. So Martin Alex, GBP USD, yes Martin, we'll look at it. We are looking at one by one. So let's see dollar yen, how it is doing now. You see dollar yen, this is what I told in my weekly forex forecast, that dollar yen is likely to come to this daily trend line and could rise up, but I think that dollar yen might consolidate here like that. Okay, let's see, it might even drop further down, because this is the monthly close, and this is not that the price is reversing, it is a retracement. The price is very historically high level, and I think that dollar yen still bullish. See, the sellers is very weak in this market, very weak. Daily, even if today's candle cannot break this low, we might see pushing high. Okay, so it is what it is doing, it is creating a triangle. Okay, and from this triangle it might break down and then will break up again, will continue rise. So let's see on the 4 hour. Now at this point I'll not trade dollar yen. Okay, you see, this is a now it is a confusing market, because it's a bullish market. Okay, but the market is tired. It's not that the bulls are not putting the price or bears are trying to push the price, it's just the market is tired. Okay, so this is the tired, so they will go maybe in a sideways or will create some kind of false breakout. So I'll be staying away from this market for now. Let's see what happened, and write down in the chat section what else you want from me, what kind of price action, what kind of strategy, or what kind of analysis you want me to do for you to help you in your trading. So euro AUD is creating kind of dodgy here. So let's see what happened. Euro AUD, so let's find out AUD USD, quickly go through. So AUD USD, we saw that a little retracement. As I told you, if this one creates something like that, I might consider selling. As I told you, if this one closes, create a pattern, because you see there is a strong level of support here. Okay, there is a support here. Now this support now testing as a resistance, and from here I'm expecting that Aussie dollar to drop one more time. Let's see what happened, and if I see proper trade signal, definitely I'll be trading, as well as I'll be sending to my VIP member. And AUD and ZD also doing something like that. AUD and ZD, if this one you know, fall in my strategy, create dodgy, I think that it will also drop, because AUD looks very fragile and weaker now, and we might see a bigger move to the downside. Now quickly look at the BTC USD, some request for BTC. Now BTC, let me see, first of all, weekly, we saw that there has been a weekly close. Now after this weekly close, BTC USD, we saw that there is a drop, but at this point BTC USD in a level of support. Okay, it's a long-term support. This is the weekly. This support is even from 2021. Okay, so what it might do, we might see a pickup on BTC USD, not too much. Maybe it will go around, let's say this zone, around let's say 42.60, something like that, and will come back again. So I'm really not sure now what BTC USD is trying to do, but it looks like, see, this is a very strong level of support. It's not easy for BTC USD to break this support, but if in case breaks, then we might see a very big move to the downside. But for now, let me see on the daily. Okay, daily looks like the price is creating a bearish pattern, but it may not go further. Okay, it may come down here and it will go up, so it will basically go in this sideways movement. Okay, unless you are trading in a very lower time frame, I think that BTC is not a good market now to trade at this point. Ethereum also same thing. The price is not, you see, this is not a volatile market at this point. Currency pair is much more showing better trading opportunity than BTC. Okay, Usdjpy, Eurujpy, please Nizam. Okay, let's see what Usdjpy says. First of all, let me see who wrote what, and then we'll go to the Eurujpy. Shefali says, sir, good evening. Do you have any videos on price action that will help? Yes, Shefali, there is a lot of video in this channel. Just subscribe to the channel. Go to my playlist. It's called Secret Forex Trading Strategy. Go to that playlist. Watch all this video. That's enough to become a profitable trader. Hamid Said says, sir, can we buy gold at 1890 level? No, Hamid Said, I'm not advising to buy gold. It's falling market, so not a good idea to buy gold at this point until we see price action confirmation. Ashok Suman, will Euro USD and GBP USD will go for retracement. Let me see. GBP USD so far I have seen bearish. Yeah, Khalid says market is weak, slow. Yeah, that's true. You're more of motivator than anything else. Entertainment TBOT says, yeah, the Eurujpy. Yeah, I love to motivate people because this is how I work, because it's very important that people stay motivated. Let's see Eurujpy, what it is doing. Eurujpy. First of all, let me see the bigger picture monthly. Okay, so Eurujpy, this is a long-term bullish market. Okay, after 4 days the market is monthly is closing. So let me draw this monthly level of support here. So let's see weekly, still not sure which way going. The weekly, after the opening of the week, we saw a move to the down. Now we see that the price is creating a long wick candle at the bottom. Let's see daily. Okay, I think that Eurujpy so far is still is trying to push down, but I think this is still bullish market. You see, this is the daily time frame, and there is a trend line. You see the trend line is intact. When the price came down to this trend line, you saw the buyers now buying. Now let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I think that Eurujpy, what it will do, it will like consolidate until this monthly close like that, you know, and will create a bullish pattern. So Eurujpy, neither buy nor sell, wait for to create a pattern for bullish price action, because it's a long-term bullish market. It could drop to the downside here, even to this level, but this price action, because it's a bullish market, I will not be interested to sell. Rather, I'll be focusing something like Euro CHF. You see, this is a long-term bearish market. You see, this one is good selling market. Euro AUD, it's a good selling market. If it shows price action for selling, I'll be selling Euro AUD. It's a good selling market. Euro CAD, also good selling market. Now pushing high, but it's a long-term bearish. So always look for long-term trend to make your trading decision. Don't try to sell in a market that is a long-term bull. Eurujpy is a long-term bull. Okay, JPY pairs, you see, this is a long-term bull. You see, so it is a long-term bull, but showing bearish price action. That means that it, after some time, it will again reverse. This is what you need to keep in mind. See, long-term, see long-term. You see long-term bear. When you see selling opportunity, sell. But when you see long-term, let's say Eurujpy, it's a long-term bull, right? Long-term bull, but now showing bearish pressure. So wait, because always try to keep your entry, short-term entry with the long-term trend. So if short-term bull, look for long-term bull as well. If short-term bear, long-term bear, try to marry in between. Then you will have a big trade with a huge momentum. Okay, that's how you need to understand it. So GBP CHF and GBP CAD, I think GBP CAD will give us a good trading opportunity maybe today. It looks to me that we might find a good trading opportunity after this candle close. After the live stream close, I might send a trade signal based on how the candle is closing. So if you want to join our program, link in the description, join it and make money with us. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. As you know, this is Forex Wizard. Watch my weekly Forex forecast and analysis. You will see who I am. Gold suddenly aggressively breaking to the downside. As I told you today in my analysis, the price is doing exactly what it is. Okay, this is Forex Wizard. I have seen many weekly Forex forecasts just to see what people are saying. Everyone is saying that gold will go up. Only Elon May said that gold is going down, and this is what I did. Listen, you see, go to my profile on TradingView. I don't follow anyone. Trust me, I don't listen to anyone. I just listen to my own heart. Okay, long time I spend in front of the chart. You know, everything I tell you, not from news, not from any fundamental, trust me, everything I say, I ask myself, okay, what is going to happen? And I answer from my inside. The answer comes from within. That's why the answer is so accurate. When everyone have that ability. Okay, tune your ability. Everyone, we share the same mind. We share this universal mind. Okay, there is only one mind. We all share the same. This is called the oneness, and that is what we born for. Okay, so believe in yourself. No matter what, you need to wake up to understand what I'm saying. Okay, not selling. What I'm saying, you need to wake up to understand. So let's see. You see GBP, JPY. I like this kind of doji. If this one doji like that, we might see boom, breakdown. You see, watch my Friday's live stream full, and then you'll see that what I say, what happened. So let's see what happened. Sir, oil, Forex guide said oil. Okay, mixed, gold going down. Yes, mixed. Don't jump on a trade. Mary, thank you, sir. Thank you, Mary. Chindi, I'm looking forward to join your VIP soon. No problem, Chindi. Thank you. That's great to hear that you are coming to our team. Awesome. This will be great. Gbpusd, CHF, JPY. Okay, Gbpusd request for CHF, JPY, and then we'll go to what else? It was Eurusd. We did it. We'll look for some of them. Okay, so Eurusd, CHF, JPY. So Eurusd, JPY looks very weak. So CHF, JPY could be bullish. Let me see. Okay, CHF, JPY is creating, as I told you, it's a bullish. Okay, now if this one closes, it's a bullish engulfer from this level of support. But let me see the monthly. Okay, so there is a monthly support here. I think the bullish engulfer from this monthly support. Weekly, okay, nice, came down, broke here, tested this. Okay, it's a bullish market. CHF, JPY, we saw the price just tested this level of support and pushing up. Okay, so 4 hour, it's a nice bullish market. Okay, CHF, JPY bullish, creating a bullish engulfer. Okay, so what it might do after closing this, if it is still a bullish engulfer close, the price may come test this level and then will push up. But I will not enter blindly. I will wait for a doji to be formed here. So if there is a doji formed here, then high probability that CHF, JPY will push up. It's a long-term bullish market, created a bullish engulfer on a level of support, bullish. Smash the like button. This is called the trading game of probability. Okay, this is not an investment advice, just for educational. If you take this trade, make your own research, do your own analysis. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Every pair's doing according to our planning. AUD USD, we might find a shorting opportunity. Let's see. Madhu says dollar yen. Madhu, we already discussed, but I couldn't find a good pair to trade because yen it might break down. Okay, dollar yen might break down, could break down, but it might go up. So because it's a long-term bull now trying to break down, so I'm really not impressed with dollar yen. Rather, I will be more focused on GBP, JPY, because GBP is very weak. JPY getting little stronger because at the end of the month. So better GBP, JPY, GBP CAD, and AUD USD could be good pair to trade. Showing some price action that is really bearish. AUD USD, we might trade. Smash the like button. BIP members, get ready. We might find a trade on AUD USD, or we might find a trade on GBP CAD, but don't experience FOMO. I'm telling you so that you stay motivated. If we don't trade, just be patient, okay? If I don't send trade, that means the last moment maybe I didn't find an entry. So be patient, because I want you to make money in trading, not lose money in trading. So gold is coming with a very, very high speed. If it hits such a big speed and create a long wick candle, we might see trend change on gold, okay? This is what happened. You see, came like this, created a long wick candle, trend change. You see, same thing, came like this, created a long wick candle, trend change. If gold come to this like this and straight reject to the upside, created a long wick candle like that, okay, then we might see a trend change. Smash the like button now, okay? This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Don't forget to smash the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is there's an enormous value in this channel. Always you will find calculator telegraph ask for USD forming a double doji strategy in support area, in resistance area, calculator, not in support. So it's a, to me it's still a short setup, okay? Don't even think of buying. It could be a buy, you know. It could happen that, let's say I told you not to buy, and then you didn't buy and the price start to go up, and you say, okay, Forex Wizard told me not to buy, now I missed the trade because of Forex Wizard. Don't say like this, okay? It's happened. What I believe, I honestly share with you. I could be wrong at any point. You know, the biggest traders, the greatest trader, they don't have any ego, okay? Sometimes I saw some people say something like, okay, you said this, now it happened, so they feel very egoistic. They say that, okay, you said this, didn't happen, that means you are not a good trader. No. You see, the best traders, always they are wrong most of the time, but when they are right, they take the full advantage of it. That is trading, okay? So for our chart, yes, Kakulan, so tell me what you are thinking, Kakulan. You think bull or bear? So Forex Wing said, first you learn properly, then teach others. Yes, Forex Wing, that's absolutely, we need to learn first and teach others. So I learn first properly, and then I am teaching others. The proof is in my analysis, is in my result. I learn first with a hard work, and then I am teaching others. When I'm feeling worthy, when I'm confident to teach others. If anyone wanna challenge, open, come to me. I'll talk to you that what you think that we can discuss together. Kakulan, telegraph, shorting opportunity. Yes, Kakulan, that's what I'm thinking. AUD USD can give us a nice shorting opportunity. After closing this live stream, we might, because I could say you now that in live stream, because my viewers should think too that taking a trade, but it needs to candle the close, then I will make the decision, okay? But looks like it's bearish, okay? And this could be a good trade, but we will manage our risk, okay? We'll manage our risk, and we'll take a you know, always managed and disciplined approach. So let's see, it could be a good trade. Euro CHF pushing down. So Euro GBP both are highly bearish, and Euro CAD also could drop from here. GBP CAD, Euro CAD looks also nicely bearish. We could see a nice bearish price action. Today there is a news release on CAD. So let's see what happened, and then we'll see how we can find a trading opportunity after the candle close. So I'm almost at the end of the live stream. Hopefully that everyone you're saying to one yeah, I know Forex Win. You didn't say me because you love me, I know. You are not saying to me, but I'm saying that like in general, just to make you feel confident. You know, when you go to a doctor, the first thing is to think that is the doctor is a real doctor or just a fake doctor, because if he make you surgery, a fake doctor could kill you. Similarly, if you go to the wrong person as a trader, and he or she could blow your account, you know. So that's why you always need to keep in mind that always go to the real trader, and that's the thing, okay? So You understand? It is a good risk management. If I swing trade 4 hour in a month, each having stop loss of 100 pips and risk reward 3 to 1. Yeah, of course. Risk reward 3 to 1. Yeah, of course. Good risk management. Martin Alex GBP USD with Vinod Euro NZD. So Euro looks bearish, Vinod. So let's see. Asok Suman, just like family doctor. Yeah, definitely. That's what I'm specialized. So I'm confident, and you are also good people. You are also good trader. I really feel good when I do this live stream, when I post my analysis, because really I'm grateful to all of you. I'm saying from my heart, because without you I'm nothing. Okay, I'm nothing means I have a personal life, I have a family life, I'm of course fulfilled, but in this profession, like in this as a trader also I'm good, but I'm saying that as a YouTuber, as a a service provider, if you are not there, I can't do anything. So definitely I'm grateful to you and all of you. Thank you for supporting the channel. I struggled a lot as a trader, and definitely when I found you, I feel good, because I have some people to share my thought, share my ideas. Everyone is supporting me, buying my course, appreciating me, joining my program. I really feel good about it, and thank you all of you for all of this support. So this is it. I sincerely believe that this live stream helpful to you. Don't forget to smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. And also if you want to check out my program, the link in the description. And also if your broker is high spread broker, I put a link in the description area. I found some good broker. They're really regulated and a good spread, reliable. Okay, you can use my link. They will give you a good there is the one, this MogaFX, they are giving 30% cash back on your trade. So that's a good offer. Okay, I negotiated. I told them my people are very good. Give them a good offer. So only they will give you if you use that link. So go there if you need a good broker. Otherwise, if you are happy with your broker, go ahead, no problem. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.